In other news, insurance agents have discovered that there has been an increase in motorists driving on the streets with no or limited car insurance. Kelsey Johnson takes a closer look.
There has been a slight increase in vehicle owners canceling their car insurance as more and more motorists opt to purchase temporary insurance or cover notes in order to get their vehicles licensed at the Road Traffic Department. Chairman of the Claims Committee in the Bahamas Insurance Association, Edward Albury, said the cover note is a partial insurance issued by most companies to motorists who they believe will pay the remaining balance and have full coverage.
Where people purposely do not get further insurance because they only want to pay the 3 months period. They want to get that coverage, get on the road, and then try to get away without paying the balance. In situations like that, of course, we have to notify the road traffic. We send a letter to them informing them that this person's policy has been reduced for non-payment. And that's something that we are entitled to do. We have to do that.
There are cases where persons obtain full coverage and then cancel it after a certain period. Another breach is having persons who are not listed on your insurance certificate to operate the vehicle. Albury encouraged persons to add individuals to their insurance to avoid any incidents.
If you have a policy and you have a currency that or coverage that's running, if it goes beyond a point where the amount you have paid for the premium, then obviously insurers are going to reduce the policy period to match the amount of money paid. So you won't be covered for any period beyond what you've already paid for. One of the things we have heard is that, greedy insurance companies simply don't want to pay a claim when somebody's driving who they don't wish to drive. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth, because obviously every policyholder, when they come in to get insurance or renew their policy, insurance companies will ask them, do you have any persons you want to add to the policy? So it's totally their choice as to who they want to add onto the policy. If they decide not to and then allow someone to drive, then obviously we know what the consequences are following that.
Most insurance companies offer two types of car insurance, comprehensive and third party.
Well, car insurance is one of the insurances that is compulsory. You have to have it. So there's no way that you should be on the road without having insurance. It's one of the rare forms of insurance that is, in fact, in the Bahamas, compulsory. You have to realize that 15 to 20% of the motoring population have comprehensive. That's a small amount compared to roughly 80% who have third-party insurance. So those persons, the third-party insurers, they get into a situation with an uninsured driver. They're the ones who really could be faced with life-changing injuries and so forth that won't be payable by insurance.
Kelsey Johnson, ZNS Network News.